Hi, I'm Dave Jenkins with Best Plumbing. There's a few reasons why I'm excited about PipePatch. It's a newer, innovative technology that allows us to really nail down a very specific fix when digging is not a good option. PipePatch is best for commercial and residential customers that need to refix a targeted area that either has heavy root infiltration, offsets, or broken pipes. It's been being used for about the last 10 years for cities and sewer districts to effectively replace sections of pipe that are either too large in diameter or too difficult to dig up or too costly to replace with a backhoe. The only time I would recommend not using a pipe patch is if we had to do a long section. So let's say there are 3 to 4 large sections with roots and offsets. At that point, we would do a full-scale sewer replacement. Pipe patch has been tested and proven to withstand pressure, extreme conditions, and time for the pipe to perform for years to come. The best way to find out if this works for you is to go ahead and give us a call, and we'll come out and run a sewer camera to see if this solution will work for you.